Hi everyone, today we'll continue creating financial model of a delivery business from scratch, and today it's time for us to talk about investing plan, and we have to link this investment plan to the moment when we start operating activity in order to avoid creating different mistakes when we retype lots of data inside investment plan. And how we can do that, I will show you. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your business idea. So let's start. So first, what I do, I take the line with amount of customers. I'll put it a little bit closer. So now we'll have to find the moment when we start operating activity. So now we found the moment when we start the first revenue. Now we have to find the specific moment. So this is the moment when we start operating activity, and from this moment we will start later payroll. We will start fixed costs, and today, but now we will consider the investment plan. So what we need for that? What we need first of all to find the month. How we can do it? We will use VLOOKUP function. So we will search this value. Now we can go up. We'll search this value in this table. We will fix it. We will need the second column, exact match. but we need to multiply this value on this line, so we will get the number of month when our operating activity starts. Now we will use the function max in this area. So here we can see the first month of operating activity when the first customer appears. It is month number 12. So for example, if we go here and put some customers here, so now we can see that we have a new month here. So now we will have to specify what is 11. 11 is November. So for that purpose, we will create a table like this. So we will search this value. We will search this value in this table. We will need the second column. We will need exact match. So now we will find the year. We will take this and multiply it on this. So we have November 2021. Now we'll create some displacement. Here is this moment. Now we will count the months of the investment plan. So here we can see the countdown of the month of investment stage. So if we displace the moment when we start operating activity, the investment stage will be automatically moved to the left or to the right. And now it's time for us to create an investment plan itself. So let us assume that we will have 6 month period of investment stage. So the moment when we start operating activity is November. Here we'll put the year. Then we will use the lookup function. We will search for this value. In this table, we will take the second column. We will need exact match. It is 11th month. So now we will create the formula for months. Now we'll create formula for years. So this is the moment when we start operating activity. So this is month, year, so here we finally specify what we invest in. Here we specify how much money we invest and when we invest. Because all these data is our inputs, we will color these inputs in our specific color that we use for all our inputs. And now it's time to put this data inside our. So now we will use this line for reverse investment plan. So now we have our investment plan linked to the moment when we start operating activity. And we don't need to retype it many times, creating lots of mistakes, because many entrepreneurs forget to retype their investment plan. Here it is. November 2021 we start our project. We get the first revenue, and before this moment we have our investment plan. So all this data will go to cash flow statement. We will mark it with red. So how it works, for example, we want to displace our, for example, we'll do like this. So for example, we would like to get the first revenue on April 2022. So we created a scenario. Go to our investment plan, and we can see how this our investment plan displays to the moment when we start our operating activity in April 2022. And we didn't have to retype all this data that we've started here. You can see April 2022 here. So now we have our investment plan absolutely optimized, and we can create lots of scenario displays the moment when we start the business, and all our data will be automatically displayed. So this is very valuable. When you create the financial model, you need to create lots of scenarios to look what if this happened, what if that happened, and this makes you safe from making lots and lots of mistakes, because you don't have to retype the data and retype the data. And the problem is, when each time when you have to retype something, you will create mistakes. You won't be able to see the real amount of financing. So this is also always a problem for entrepreneurs. So the next video will be devoted payroll. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Video will be so you can order a financial model from scratch for your business idea. We can help you with that. So see you in next videos. Thank you and bye.